Hi everyone, I bring you good news from Coursera again. If you're a product designer and you're thinking of taking so many courses and you don't know where to start from and you don't have money, I bring you good news. I bring you good news from Coursera. Coursera, we are going to look at. You go to Coursera, you see, go to design and products. You have a lot of them here. You can even earn yourself a degree like a BSc on them. And the most popular one is US Google US Design DevOps. You can even, if you are a developer, you're following me, or you're thinking of becoming a developer, engineer. So let's go to the most popular one. We have Google US Design, DevOps, Cloud and Agile Foundations, Fundamentals of US Design, that's user experience. Then Digital Product Management. We have Web Design for everybody, Basic Web, Interaction Design, UI UX Design, Start the Design Process, Empathizing. We have Software Product Manager. This one is even from University of Alberta. HTML, CSS, JavaScript for web developers, agile development. You have a lot of them here, and you wanna ask me that these things are expensive. Calm down, I'm taking you somewhere. Now take for instance you want to take this product, digital product design, digital product. Calm down. Let's not go there. Let's go to, so you guys will not say I'm focusing so much on product management. Let's go to a user experience, foundations of user experience. So you can enroll for free for free trial, but I wouldn't advise you. Then the premium access is $14 monthly. But what you can do, you can apply for financial aid. Right? You can apply for financial aid. You can see that the application can take up to 16 days to be reviewed. If approved, you'll be eligible to receive up to 90% of the regular price. It's usually 100%, but I don't know why Coursera decided to take it to 90%. It's still fair enough. So you're giving 90% financial aid. That means you're just paying 10% for this course. So when you continue, you have to write why you want to take this financial, why the reason you are applying for it. So education, if you have annual income, if you are not earning, you can add any other thing, your employment status, then you can give them. When I applied for financial aid and I was granted 90%, I gave them the reason why they should give me this. So what you need to do, you can say, okay, you don't earn any money, education status, education this, then I have review information. And when you click on next, I'm not planning to apply for this, but let me just go ahead. So one thing is that your reason for it shouldn't be more than 100 letter words. Then how much can you pay for this selected course? For me, I can't pay anything, so I can change it to 0 naira. How will you select this? How will this selected course help your goal? You add it here, then you agree to this, type in the following sentence: I agree. Then you type I agree to the terms above. Then add this, select traffic lights. Oh, there's another traffic light too. Select traffic lights. Is the traffic light? Oh, that's because I did not type anything here. I'm not applying this. I'm just typing this for the purpose of this video. this is me typing this for the purpose of this video. Then by clicking review, I don't know why it's not coming up. Probably there's something I've not filled of this video. Okay, have to be minimum of character words. I'm not a robot. I told you I'm not a robot. The bridge, this is a bridge, this is a bridge, this is a bridge. Then we verify that I'm not a robot. Purpose of this video, you can copy this, paste this so many times for us to get 140 videos. I want to get 140. Yes. Oh, this is right. I'm sorry, I didn't intend this video to be long. Oh no. Now we have 150 words. You can see that the review button is not active. Then let's review. You see that we said, okay, my education level is master's, my income, I'm unemployed, the reason for this, amount I can pay, course goal, then submit application, then we get a feedback in few weeks that your financial aid has been granted. Let me show you the one that was granted onto me. This is my email. Inbox to say, hi, congratulations, you have been approved to enroll at management in Agile team at 90% of the regular price with 6 months of course access. This discount is time sensitive. Be sure to enroll by June 18, 2024. The discount will automatically apply when you check out. In addition to financial aid course, so when you click on this, you see that it will take you here. You see that this course for access for 6 months is $99 US. So 90% financial aid was given to 89.10 US. So I have to pay 9.9 USD. I hope this video was helpful, and if you want to take any course on Coursera and you want to ask for financial aid, go check it out. If you are following me for the first time, thank you for following me so far, and if you are joining me for the first time, please do well to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. I love you. Kisses.